Hi everybody, back again. Okay, this is another project with a keypad and the LCD. LCD is a I2C with a chip. Okay, I've been trying to do this. I've done this on a normal, what do you call it, 4-bit. But the problem is that Arduino is too small, so there is too many wire for the LCD and too many wire for the keypad. At least eight wire for the keypad. Okay, so what happened here, the password is already set up to be 1234. Okay, so what we do now, if we type the wrong password, enter password, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and enter, access granted. Okay, so sorry, this thing is huge. Okay, now let's put the wrong password. 1, wrong password. Okay, we can clear as enter the password again. Wrong password. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Press access granted. Okay, so there we are. This is what it does, and it hides the password so that you can enter password, wrong password, enter password again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, access granted. Thank you very much. Let me show the there we are. Let's see the code. Okay, here's the code again. It's very similar to the other two that we did earlier on with the LCD, but this is just, you want to hide here's the password. You can change that if you want. Okay, so, and yeah, so it shows the Eden number, so nobody can see your password. There we are. Access granted. Give it the wrong one. Wrong password. Enter again. Okay. Yeah, it's. I will post the code on the web, on the internet. So you can choose a password length as well, how many characters you want it. There is a clear key. I think it's. I put this one as a clear key. Let me try. If you make a mistake, then you can clear with this key. No, can't remember which puts a clear key. Yeah, the first button here, it's a clear key. So let's try again. Yeah, I'll set it up clear keys. Now remember one thing, when you go through these projects, it is very confusing, the wiring. Remember that you first have 4 rows, and then you have 4 columns. Row number 1, usually it is like this. just to have an idea how it works. I just turn it around and I swap the wire here because I feel I can't type with these things in front of me. But if you got a very thin one of those wire, this is the way that you should program it with. All this wire must be like this and addressed on the Arduino from number 2 to 9. So here, this is column, this is the first number 1. I will also add on a, what do you call it, a test, a standalone test for the keypad. So you can test it while pressing the button. You can run it as a sketch. You run it separately, so it doesn't affect the code that you're ready, or doesn't affect your screen that, you know, sometimes you want to test it before you plug everything in. So this is a sketch that will test the keypad. So particularly will be good for to the orientation, to check your orientation and your position of the buttons, how they work exactly. And yeah, this is the way. The way is that all this must be at the bottom, okay? And you work from the top here. This is the column and row 1. This is the first one. And it goes, and you can see that the row are number, the buttons are numbered with the S, S1, S3, S4, S5. Okay, so but once you got your orientation, which is like this, and that's it, that works properly. But on my case, it cannot work like that, so I've turned it around. In order to work like this, I had to swap this around, okay? And you can see here that they're being swapped around. So because this one should be here, and that one should be at the back there, then it works perfectly like this. But for me, upside down, because I can't type with these things there. Okay, so not much for talking here. And yeah, thank you very much and have a good day. And yeah, thank you. Bye. Give me a thumbs up if you like, please.